Avoiding a false positive on a drug test is imperative to your employment and even your freedom. But false positives occur all the time. Let's talk about what you can do to avoid such a strike and successfully pass a drug screen. Welcome, my name is David Jolly and thank you for watching. Drug screening results can have a significant impact on your life, a very negative one if you receive a positive test. The possibility of a false positive test is alarming and real, and there is data to suggest that around 10% of all tests result in false positives. Drug tests can vary with accuracy, and of course laboratory testing does lessen the chance of a false positive. But false positives are real, and avoiding them critical. One top tip is that it is important you provide to the drug screener a list of prescription medications that you are currently using, so that if a false positive result occurs, it can be traced back to your prescribed drug. False positive drug test results have been reported in multiple drug classes and may include common drugs, including cold and allergy products, over-the-counter pain medications, and drugs for infections. Okay, here is the list of drugs that may cause a false positive. I'll only keep each screen up for a short time, probably not long enough to fully absorb the content, but if you want to look at these in more detail, please just pause the video. All right, let's start with false positives for amphetamines. Be particularly aware of commonly used drugs such as Dimetapp, Wellbutrin, diet pills, methylphenidate, and allergy pills such as Allegra, Clarinex, and Mucinex. PCP false positives can be caused by an alarming number of ways, and those ways, of which there are many, are displayed on the screen right now. Cannabinoids are a problem too, and shockingly, ibuprofen can cause problems with false positives. Obviously, hemp-related products can be tricky as well. Just stay away from them. Opioid false positive tests are common, and once again look out for the sleep aids such as Benadryl, ZzzQuil, Unisom, Nytol, and poppy seeds too. A little surprise here is quinine. This can be found in tonic water. A benzo false positive is easy to achieve with drugs such as ibuprofen and Zoloft. A positive for methadone is likely if you're using those pesky sleep aids such as Benadryl, ZzzQuil, Unisom, and of course, Nytol. All right, well, this list is probably not exhaustive, but it's a good place to begin. Remember to disclose the prescription medications you're taking, even if you don't see that drug in this video or don't believe it will cause you harm. It's far better to be safe rather than sorry. And one final quick tip. If you're not sure if you're good to go, buy an inexpensive home drug test kit. I have a few examples linked in the description below. Good luck. For more videos on drug testing, please subscribe to this channel.